The formal declaration of the alliance between the BJP AGP was made today and the seat-sharing arrangement was also announced. Here are the details in this report.
Months ahead of the Assam Assembly election, BJP has not just expedited its preparations, but has also strengthened its coalition by bringing more parties into its fold. After declaring a tie-up with Bodoland People's Front, BJP welcomed Ahom Gana Parishad into its coalition in Assam on Thursday. The three parties will contest the election together. In the seat-sharing arrangement, AGP has bagged 24 out of 126 seats in the Assembly. BJP has identified growing infiltration in Assam and corruption in the Tarun Gogoi government in the state as its main poll planks.
असम का विकास के पैमाने में बाकी में जो स्थिति हुई है पिछले 15 वर्षों में वो हम जानते हैं और वो एक चुनाव का मुद्दा बनेगा। और दूसरा चुनाव का मुद्दा बनेगा जो असम में इतनी बड़ी संख्या में इन्फिल्ट्रेशन हुआ है अनहिंडर्ड, जिसमें कांग्रेस सरकार का कोल्यूजन रहा और पेट्रोनेज रहा है।
AGP leaders met Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday, saying that there is a strong anti-incumbency wave in the state. PM voiced confidence that the BJP-led coalition would emerge victorious in the assembly election.
Anti-incumbency is very strong, so I believe that AGP-BJP alliance with BPF and some other small tribal ethnic groups, Tiwa and Rava, will be able to form the government. We are forming the government.
The anti-incumbency factor was apparent in the 2014 Lok Sabha election. In Kerala too, BJP has stepped up its preparation for the state assembly election, and Bharatiya Dharma Jan Sena or BDJS has decided to ally with BJP.
Bharatiya Dharma Jan Sena (BDJS) is joining the NDA today, and we'll go together in elections. We'll form and we'll see to it that the Bharatiya Janata Party, this NDA front, comes off victorious.
BJP has charged the UDF government in Kerala with failing on all fronts. It says the outcome of the by-polls and the local body elections held recently in the state are evidence of that. The Election Commission may not have announced the poll schedule yet, but BJP seems to have stolen a march ahead of its rivals in the state. With Ajay Vikram Singh, Newsnight Desk, DD News.